Today's video, I show you guys how to install the RETextured mod to enhance roads, buildings, and the overall environment with HD textures in NFS Underground 2. All you have to do is check my video description for this mod link, check the download option, and you just need to wait for this time. And now check this download now option. After the download done, select this folder icon, right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Just close off here. Right click on the game icon on the desktop and select open file location. Open the window, just drag and drop all these files inside of a game folder. Do this and select continue. Right click on this text.mod.exe and select run as administrator and select yes. Select this big folder icon and navigate to the game folder and select speed2.exe and select open. Select this small folder icon and select browse and navigate to the game folder and scroll down and select this .tpf file and select open and select run option, and you just need to wait for at least 3 minutes. After the load's done, press enter, load a web profile. I'll show you guys before and after comparison. You can easily compare both of it, the game with mod and without mod. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.